This initial solution will show you how to convert iPhone video to slow motion. First of all, you have to install the iMovie app on your iPhone. Once it's installed, open the iMovie app and tap on Movie. And now select the video which you want to make slow motion and click on Create Movie. Now select the clip and here tap on this speed icon. And to make your video slow motion, decrease this level. And now if I play the video, as you can see, the video is slow motion now. And to save the video, tap on done at the top left. Tap on this share button. Tap on save video. And the video will be exported to your Photos app. So this is how we can convert iPhone video to slow motion. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.